Sometime what happens that oxygen which was present initially in an excess amount, sometime this amount of oxygen is not excess but it is limited. That means if oxygen is not sufficiently available during the process of burning, what happens? Carbon again burns and combine with oxygen, but this time instead of carbon dioxide, your coal or carbon is going to be turned into carbon monoxide. This is again a process of burning, and during this process even heat is formed. In both this process heat is formed, so both these processes are known as the exothermic processes. But remember, during this process heat formed is more than heat formed during this process. This is what it is known as the complete combustion. This is what it is known as the incomplete combustion. Note that both the above reaction are combination reaction too. You can see that two reactant combines to give one product, two reactant combines to give one product, and that is why this reaction is combination reaction too. From two reactants single product is formed, and that is why we can say the reaction is a combination reaction. Now we should look at the fourth example, which is production of water from hydrogen and oxygen gas. Hydrogen and oxygen gas combines to gives us water, and a huge amount of energy or huge amount of heat is released. Note that above reaction is also a combination reaction. You can see two reactants combines to gives us the single product, and that is why it is a combination reaction. We can easily understand that most of the combination reactions are exothermic reaction. Heat is produced during the combination reactions. Now we should look at the fifth example of exothermic reaction, which is known as the respiration. We need energy to stay alive. We get this energy from the food that we eat. So during digestion, food is broken down into simpler substances. What does it mean? It means rice, potatoes, bread, etc. during the process of digestion converted to glucose. Now, why they are converted to glucose? Because rice, potatoes, breads contain carbohydrates. I hope, my dear students, you are enjoying your studies. Happy learning.